Happy Easter, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones, and I'll be your spokesman from the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we've taken the difficult things of streaming and want to help you one video at a time. I want to wish everyone a happy Easter, but in this video, let's take a look and install the brand new Luc, L-U-C, Kodi add-on from 2026. Now, this add-on will give you tons of entertainment, and it is a premium add-on. You will need Real to Brid or Premium Eyes or some premium service to partner with this add-on. So don't punish me in the content or where you put the messages down below the comment section that I didn't say it. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on in. This is the Kodi software. If this is your first time doing this and you have Kodi on your device, you're going to press the settings wheel. You're going to go to the system section. You're going to go down to add-on, push to the right, and you're going to turn on unknown sources. You're going to turn that on. Once that's on, like I'll do it here, you're going to highlight yes, that you're going to allow that to work. Hit the back button. Then you're going to go over to File Manager, highlight it, and press the OK button on any remote you're using. Then you're going to go down to and find Add Source and press the OK button on the remote control that you are using in your hand. The next thing you're going to want to do is you want to go down and highlight the center, press OK, and you're going to put in this long URL. So let's do that now. Once you have this in, just make sure it is correct. And then you're going to hit OK. And then go down to the bottom and hit OK. And there it is there. Once you're there, you're going to hit the back button on your remote. And then you're going to go over to Add-on. And once you click on Add-on, you're going to go down to Install. Oh, where did I go? Hang on. Go down to Install from zip file, press OK, and then you're going to find the name of what you named it, Luc_repo, press OK, and then you're going to hit the repository there. And you're going to wait till you get a message on your device. Then from there, you're going to go up one, click on Install from Repository, and then you're going to go down to click Luc Repo right here, press OK. And then you're going to go down to Video Add-ons, highlight that, press OK. And then you're going to select Luc Kodi, and then you're going to hit Install. And wait for it to install. Go over to the right. Wait a minute for the two add-ons to install. Oops. Press OK. So let it install. It's at 76. Okay, now you can see that it's installed, right? The next thing you're going to do is go back to the home screen of Kodi and then select the add-on and then choose Luc Kodi. Okay, so let me go back to the home page. Let me go back. Here I am here. Then I'm going to go down to add-ons. I should see it. And there it is right there. You can press OK. And you now installed Luc Kodi. Now, if you're going to installation is now complete, but it's not done, you have to pair your reel to grid. So you can hit the back button to go through the change log. Then you want to go down to tools, press OK. And then you want to go down to accounts and press OK. From here, you want to go down. This is so good. And we're looking for, I'm looking for, once you're in accounts, you push over to the right. If you have premium eyes, you're going to have to authorize that. I already have reel to grid, so if I want to authorize reel to grid, you're going to follow the instructions here. I'm going to press OK. Then I'm going to go to this website and put in this information that you have to have an account with reel to grid. So I got plenty of time to do this. Okay. Once we're there, we're going to put in the code here, and it's not case sensitive. So that's good. See if that'll work, and it did. So now I have to log into my reel to grid. So now I can set the name of this, and then it's already connected. So you'll see that the reel to grid has been enabled, and we are good to go. And that is how you connect Luc Kodi. Also, how to enable your reel to grid, which is fine. So I'm gonna push over to the right, press OK, and be done. And that's how you use and set up this new add-on. Hey, if this is your first time, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope my instructions were at least clear enough so you can follow. Thank you so much for sharing this video. Happy Easter again.